Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we continue our journey to productivity mastery with our complete 2025 guide on how to assign tasks and set deadlines in Todoist. To get started, open up your Todoist app. At the top of your screen, you'll see a plus symbol. Click on it to open up a new task. The reason we do this is to create a clear, actionable item for yourself or your team to tackle. Now that we've done that, write a brief description of the task. Be specific, yet concise. This helps us because it gives a clear understanding of the task at hand. Next up, it's time to assign the task. To do this, click on the Assign To field and select a team member. You can also type their name or email. The reason we do this is to ensure accountability. Remember, assigning tasks allows you to delegate responsibilities and keep track of who is doing what. Moving on, let's set a deadline. Click on the Due Date field and select a date from the calendar. You can also type a date or use natural language input like next Monday. This helps us because it creates a sense of urgency and helps us avoid procrastination. Now, you might wonder why deadlines are crucial in maintaining project momentum. They serve as milestones that help you measure progress and stay on track. Once you've set the deadline, hit Add Task to save it. And there you have it. Your task has been assigned with a set deadline. In the grand scheme of things, Todoist is more than just a task management app. It's a tool that empowers you to take control of your work, manage your team effectively, and reach your goals. That's it for today's tutorial. Remember, the key to productivity is not just about doing more, but doing what's necessary in an efficient way. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.